Hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a monthly reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 1st till the 15th of January. I'm going to tap into recent, past, current energies, and we will see the guidance as usual, starting with the overall energy for this particular month. Not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. So let's start. Leo. Overall energy for Leo people for the first 15 days of January 2025 is we have the Ace of Pentacles. You are going to be very much focused on stability portion of your life, creating money, job, career stability in your life, and or brand new beginnings in your life. That is going to lead to something stable and something beautiful in the coming future. That is going to be your overall energy. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Leo. Sorry about the background noises. Everybody's celebrating here in North Pune. Page of Pentacles. You started a chapter of your life from scratch, you can say, from ABCD, and you were in this energy of okay, let's start from here and let's see where it goes, kind of energy in the recent past. Currently, we have the Knight of Wands, true essence of Leo energy, trying to like live your life to the fullest and being in this bang on energy of okay, I got all my tools together, I know what I want, I have zest for life, I have enthusiasm, I am going to make some things happen in my life. It's like basically feeling like getting shit done with passion. By the 15th of January, Three of Pentacles, I guess you are going to be very much focused on money, job, career, making collaboration partnerships. That's going to lead to stability in the long term. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys, honey. Leo. We have the Seven of Swords and the Five of Cups and the Chariot. Now, in the recent past, you were continuously lying to yourself that you were over a situation that brought you a lot of pain. You were trying to move on from something that was a disaster, but you, while moving on from that disaster, you were continuously in this energy of, see, I'm like a brand new kid. I'm all ready to start a brand new life. I'm this, I'm that, and I'm happy and blah blah blah. But you were continuously lying to yourself, even though you started a brand new chapter in the recent past in your life. You were continuously lying to yourself about moving on from a particular person or situation that was still haunting you. You were in this energy of no, it's not, no, it's done, it's gone, I'm good as new, right? Currently the Knight of Wands, a lot of passion, a lot of fire, a determination kind of energy to get shit done. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands. We have the Judgment, the Page of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. So you are in this energy of coming out of a situation that still haunts you from time to time, coming out of this victim mode, feeling like a victim, feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, forgiving or seeking for forgiveness from the universe, from for your part, or maybe for if somebody did something wrong with you, you are in this forgiveness mode right now, and you are in this energy of focusing on yourself rather than focusing of what happened or how it happened with you, right? And you are in this energy of okay, enough is enough, now I have to get my shit together, and now I have to go hand in hand with my goals, my aims, and my life and my energy. It's like my life, my rules kind of energy, where you're not in revengeful energy anymore. You are in this growth and expansion energy and a lot of enthusiasm about your future. Now, by the 15th of January, we have the Three of Pentacles. Let's clarify. Some kind of collaboration, partnership, or something coming out in a very beautiful way. Let's see. We have the Wheel of Fortune, sorry, Three of Pentacles and the Three of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. So you're looking forward to have beautiful people, beautiful collaboration partnerships in your life, and you know you are going to get it. Your intuition is telling you to keep moving ahead, and you're about to hit the jackpot in some areas of your life where you are going to feel like, okay, yes, I did it. I did it. See, I knew I'm going to do that. And see, I'm doing it now. So yeah, there is something that you might not be aware of in the 3D world that is attracting you towards them, a collaboration, a partnership kind of a deal where there is a lot of stability is also coming along with that deal, and you're just moving forward with a lot of this energy of I know, I know, I know. And when it's going to happen in the 3D world, you're going to be like, bang, I told you, I knew it, right? Yeah, I am just very happy for you. For you, the guidance here is the Emperor. So you have to take the responsibility of your life in your hands. Basically taking responsibilities, like whatever is coming next according to your actions is your responsibility, not anybody else's. Okay, you have to leave the blame game. You have to leave this energy of that people suck, that their energy sucks, their energy sucks. Just work on your energies, and everything like around you is going to change the way it should for your betterment only. Okay, just focus on your betterment. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I wish you a very very happy new year. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.